Hey keto enthusiasts, welcome back to our culinary corner. Today we're diving into a recipe that's sure to make your taste buds dance. Beef stir fry, quick to whip up, brimming with health benefits and bursting with flavor. This dish is a keto-friendly dream come true. We'll walk you through each step, ensuring you can easily recreate this tasty treat at home. So grab your apron, sharpen your knives, and let's heat up the kitchen with some keto goodness. Let's start with the ingredients. Here's what you'll need: thinly sliced beef, preferably sirloin or flank steak. As for the veggies, we're going for low-carb options like broccoli, bell peppers and mushrooms. You'll also need some minced garlic, soy sauce, or a keto-friendly alternative, sesame oil and xanthan gum, or your preferred keto-friendly thickener. And of course, don't forget salt and pepper to taste. So, with all our ingredients on hand, we're ready to move on. Now that we have our ingredients ready, it's time to prep. Begin by thinly slicing your beef and cutting your low-carb veggies into bite-sized pieces. It's all about prep work when it comes to stir-fry. For the beef, aim for thin, even slices to ensure quick and uniform cooking. As for the veggies, chopping them into manageable bite-sized pieces not only makes them easier to eat, but also allows them to cook evenly. Remember, the goal here is to retain some of that delightful crunch in every bite. With our beef and veggies prepped, let's move on to the sauce. In a bowl, combine minced garlic, soy sauce, sesame oil, and a pinch of xanthan gum. The goal here is to create a rich, savory sauce that's keto-friendly and packed with flavor. As you whisk these ingredients together, you'll notice the sauce thickening thanks to the xanthan gum. This is your secret weapon for a truly mouth-watering stir-fry that's not only delicious but also aligns with your keto lifestyle. With our sauce ready, it's time to cook the beef. Heat up a pan or wok over high heat. Sear your thinly sliced beef until it's nicely browned on all sides. This process is about more than just cooking the meat. It's about unlocking a world of flavor. The high heat develops a crust on the beef that's packed with taste. It's the Maillard reaction at work, a chemical reaction between amino acids and reducing sugars that gives browned food its distinctive flavor. Now let's add our veggies and sauce. Toss in your low-carb veggies and our prepared keto sauce. Stir-fry everything together. There's something magical about the combination of vibrant vegetables and a rich, savory sauce that really brings this dish to life. The aroma filling up your kitchen would be absolutely tantalizing. It's important to stir-fry until the veggies are tender crisp, the perfect balance between cooked and crunchy, and when they're coated with that savory goodness, you'll know you're on the right track. Next, we're going to season and serve our dish. Season your stir-fry with a bit of salt and pepper to taste. Not too much, just a sprinkle to elevate all those wonderful flavors we've built up. Give it a good stir, making sure everything is evenly mixed. The aroma is just incredible, isn't it? Now comes the most rewarding part. Carefully transfer this delectable keto-friendly beef stir-fry to a plate. Look at those vibrant colors. Voila! You've just made a quick, healthy, and delicious meal. Let's plate our delicious keto-friendly beef stir-fry. That's incredible. A quick and healthy keto meal that's bursting with flavors. The succulent beef, the crunch of the veggies, all wrapped up in that savory, keto-friendly sauce. It's a symphony of textures and tastes that truly proves healthy doesn't mean boring. This beef stir-fry is a testament to that. It's been a pleasure sharing this recipe with you. Thanks for joining me today. And until next time, keep enjoying those delicious keto-friendly dishes.